Back in the day of the Hero 2 camera, I made a video talking about the different sizes of SD cards you need in order to record video onto your camera and the length of video you'd be able to record with those different sizes of SD cards. I decided to remake this video now that we're up to the Hero 3 Plus, so a couple iterations of cameras have gone by. What I did was I recorded at different resolutions, actually I recorded at every resolution that's available on the camera for a long period of time, and then I calculated that out to the size of the file to the recorded time, and with that I was able to calculate the amount of data that the camera was saving every second. With that information, I could then find out how much data would be possible to store on different sizes of SD cards. All of the results from this information can be found in the spreadsheet that is linked in the video description. It's a huge amount of data, as there are over 40 different resolutions possible for recording on the new Hero 3 Plus, and I've gone through every one of them. I think you guys are going to be shocked when you see that the amount of space required when ProTune is turned on is almost double that of ProTune turned off. I hope this spreadsheet is useful to you in both deciding on the resolutions you shoot at as well as the size of SD cards you buy. On the right hand side, I have different columns for total record times available at each resolution for the size of SD card you are using. Anything from an 8 gig SD card through a 64 gig SD card. Thank you guys for watching. This was another GoPro tips and tricks video. If you've enjoyed it, please make sure you like the video and subscribe. Check out my channel for lots more videos. And in the comments down below, tell me what resolution you shoot at. I'm very curious to know what the standard resolution that people use is. Again, until next time, thanks for watching.